I want to leave a review for this beautiful freestanding tub. My parents have had this tub for many years now, but it still looks just as beautiful as when they first bought it. No scratches, very easy to take care of. All they have to do once they're done is just rinse it off and it stays nice and new, beautiful and white as well. This tub has double wall insulation, which means that the water stays warm for longer periods of time. My dad is not a plumber, but it was very easy for him to install this bathtub. It has a pop-up drain in the middle here, so all you have to do is just press on it, and that's it. The water's not going anywhere. And then to release, you just press on it again, and that's it. The tub has this beautiful curved edge to it. This is the material up close, the acrylic. It's shiny, it's smooth, so that it's very comfortable on the back. The tub is an extra large, wide capacity, so 2 people could fit in there if they wanted to. I just love the beautiful, modern look of it. It looks aesthetically pleasing in the bathroom.